At number 5, we have the Cheolun Dog Dryer for pet grooming. This high-velocity dryer offers an impressive wattage of 2400 watts, making it a solid choice for drying pets quickly and efficiently. It comes with an adjustable airflow speed and a temperature range of 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can customize the drying experience for your pet's comfort. Plus, it includes 3 unique nozzles and a comb for added versatility. The build quality is solid, featuring a combination of metal and ABS materials. It feels durable and professional, while still being lightweight enough at 8.49 pounds to move around easily. The flexible hose extends up to 90.6 inches, offering great reach and convenience. On the downside, the design feels a bit dated, and the lack of advanced features like noise suppression or ionization might not appeal to tech-savvy users. Performance-wise, the Cheolun delivers reliable drying power suitable for most pet grooming needs. However, it doesn't offer the ultra-quiet operation or advanced safety features of some competitors. This dryer is ideal for pet owners who need a functional, no-frills solution at an affordable price point. Pros include its high airflow, adjustable options, and decent build quality, while cons include its basic features and slightly noisier operation compared to others on this list. Coming in at number 4 is the oneisall high-velocity dog hair dryer. If you're looking for an affordable yet efficient pet dryer, this one has a lot to offer. It features a powerful 3,000-watt motor capable of generating airflow speeds up to 465 feet per second, which is impressive for its price point. The dryer also includes 3 temperature modes, ranging from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, with overheat protection to ensure safety. The design is compact and user-friendly, with a long 8.86-foot hose that provides excellent flexibility during grooming. It comes with 4 different nozzles for drying various parts of your pet's body, and its low-noise operation at under 55 decibels makes it less intimidating for nervous pets. However, the lightweight build and simple design mean it may not stand up to heavy-duty use over time. This dryer excels at quick and efficient drying, making it perfect for small to medium-sized pets or occasional grooming sessions. It's particularly great for budget-conscious pet owners who want a reliable and quiet solution. However, it lacks advanced features like ionization or vacuum capabilities. Overall, its pros include affordability, strong airflow, and quiet operation, while its cons are its simpler construction and limited durability for professional use. At number 3, we have the Blandlody Dog Dryer Pet Hair Blower. This high-velocity dryer is equipped with a powerful 3,800-watt motor and offers a stepless adjustable speed range of 15 to 75 meters per second, making it a fantastic option for drying large dogs with thick coats. The temperature settings range from 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to tailor the experience to your pet's needs. It also comes with 4 nozzles and a bonus pet brush for added convenience. The Blandlody dryer is compact and lightweight, with an ergonomic handle that makes it easy to transport. The flexible hose extends up to 2.5 meters, providing plenty of reach. It also features noise suppression technology, keeping the noise level at or below 50 dB, which is great for pets who are sensitive to loud sounds. However, the overall design and build quality feel more entry-level, which might not appeal to professional groomers. In terms of performance, this dryer offers excellent value for its price. It's ideal for pet owners with large dogs or those who need a quick and effective drying solution on a budget. While it may not have the advanced features of higher-end models, its strong airflow and quiet operation make it a solid choice. Pros include its powerful motor, quiet operation, and affordable price, while cons include a less premium build and fewer advanced features. Our runner-up is the oneisall Dog Vacuum and Dryer. This 8-in-1 grooming kit is a game-changer for pet parents who want an all-in-one solution. It combines a vacuum, dryer, and clippers into a single unit, making it perfect for shedding, trimming, and drying. It offers 7 heat settings, ranging from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, and 3 airflow speeds, ensuring a comfortable grooming experience for pets of all sizes. The build quality is excellent, with a solid and durable design that includes a 59-inch hose for added convenience. The low-noise operation under 60 decibels ensures a stress-free grooming session for your pet, and the vacuum function minimizes mess by sucking up loose fur as you work. It's a bit heavier at 10.63 pounds, but the included storage bag makes it easy to organize and transport. This product is ideal for pet owners who want a versatile grooming tool that can handle multiple tasks. However, its higher price point and slightly bulkier design may not be suitable for everyone. Pros include its multifunctionality, powerful suction, and quiet operation, while cons are its weight and cost. Finally, at number 1, we have the Home Run Pet Cat Dryer. This premium pet dryer is a revolutionary product designed for small dogs and cats. The Drybo Plus offers a fully enclosed drying box with a patented airflow system that provides consistent bottom-up drying to ensure even coverage. With its ultra-quiet operation at just 40 dBs and smart temperature control, this dryer is designed to deliver a spa-like experience for your pet. The build quality is top-notch, boasting a sleek modern design and durable construction. It doubles as a pet bed, making it a versatile option for year-round use. Safety is a priority here, with 10 temperature detections per second to prevent overheating. The interior dimensions of 16.2 by 13.7 by 14.1 inches provide enough space for small pets to relax comfortably during the drying process. This product is perfect for pet owners who want the best for their furry friends and are willing to invest in premium features. It's especially useful for cats and small dogs who may not tolerate handheld dryers. While the price is steep, the advanced technology, quiet operation, and unmatched safety make it worth the investment. Pros include its innovative design, quiet operation, and safety features, while cons are its high price and limited size compatibility. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the best pet dryer for your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy grooming.